Oh my god. My crew just left. They're really gone. That's crazy to me. I don't want to be here anymore. Oh, hell no. I don't think so, ma'am. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Hello, guys. It's me, Nikki. Hello. Welcome to another day of Halloween. Linda and I, Linda's right behind the camera. Hello. Hi. Hi. We are driving to a haunted forest. So I'm doing this because Mykie, Glam and Gore, has been doing this like haunted location series, and I really wanted to do my makeup in a haunted place for Halloween. We did some research, and about an hour away from where I live, there's a haunted forest called Duivelsberg. Devil's Mountain in Dutch. And right there, we'll be meeting with Ranger Tim. Ranger Tim is gonna share with us some stories that actually happened. I'm gonna take you with me, and every little sound we hear. So I'm gonna take you with me into the woods, into the forest, and every single sound that I hear is gonna be recorded. Exactly. So we are almost at the location. So if you're excited to see all of this going down before getting hit by another car, keep on watching. Before we do anything, I'm not scared at all. So I'm like, bring it, baby. I got this.
Hi.
Hi.
Ranger Tim.
Hi, Tim.
Welcome.
I'm Nikki. Nice to meet you.
Hi, welcome.
All right, so tell me, so I heard that you have some pretty spooky stories.
Yeah, it's a place full of legends. Up this hill, there in the 800s, was a castle owner, and this lady, Adela. The castle owner died, and Lady Adela got angry, and she thought, I want to have more ground and more castles. And she started killing people, and it really happened, so yeah.
Oh my God.
Are you scared of the dark?
No, I'm not.
No? Okay.
No, I'm good.
The second story is Operation Market Garden started here in the Second World War. So the Allied soldiers were dropped also at Devil's Mountain.
Right here?
Yeah, and they fought against the German soldiers. So you can imagine a whole lot of guys died over here. If you believe in ghosts, I do a little.
Oh, you do?
And you walk around here alone, maybe you can make yourself crazy in the coconut. Yeah.
Crazy in the coconut? What else is happening over here?
The year 1000, you have a little village up here. It's Beek. It's called Beek. The villagers killed the witches. They put all the witches in a wood pile up the hill and set it on fire.
We have our own Dutch Salem?
Yeah, we have. And the last place is here.
What?
Here, this is a small old bridge.
Oh no, don't tell me.
So much centuries ago, it was a big river, and they drowned witches up there.
Do you think the spirits are still in the?
I believe so. Yeah, a whole lot of them. So
Tim.
Yeah.
How long have you been working here?
For 6 years.
And has anything strange happened in those 6 years?
Yeah.
Like what?
Like tapping on my shoulder.
Oh, stop.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Wait,
So,
really?
Yeah.
Anything from the witches?
I haven't seen or heard any witches, so that's okay. Only little children screaming up the hill at night and some taps on the shoulder. That's it.
Yeah, no biggie.
Yeah, no biggie.
Like whatever.
Hey, good luck.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Tim.
Bye.
Bye, Tim. I don't believe a word of what he says. Between us, there's a pancake restaurant close to this, and they're advertising the ghost story, so I'm taking this all with a very big grain of salt. All right, guys, the team is currently setting up the setup for the video. Guys, give me like, oh my God, guys. I swear to God, and I'm the most non-believer of this group, I swear to God, I thought I heard a girl scream. I swear to my life.
Geluid loopt, ja.
Okay, bye. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, all right guys, so my crew just left. I'm not necessarily scared of like the hauntedness. I'm more so scared that just a random crazy killer is on the loose and I'm gonna be his next victim. So today I wanna create this, I wanna do a very quick and easy last minute Halloween makeup tutorial for when you have nothing in the house and you're in a haunted forest and you have to do your makeup somehow. They're really gone. That's crazy to me. I hear an owl. I love owls. I have one tattooed on my arm. Let's do some full coverage beauty. What if this sound of the beauty blender attracts the ghosts or the animals? I'm gonna go in with a fast and easy full coverage stick to save some time and to get this forest nymph look on. Oh, I definitely heard a twig. Oh, this is not healthy. In my mind, I'm like, okay, Nikki, you're gonna do a very fast last minute Halloween look and you're gonna slap it on really fast and get it over with. And yet I'm still here blending my concealer. Someone in this forest support me. Please don't stay at a distance. I am going to move on to eye base. Did you guys just close a door?
Nope.
Stop. I heard someone close a door. Like a car door.
Do you remember the walkie-talkie that was empty when I just left you? I just turned it on again and it was full battery.
So something that has been happening is that batteries go like empty in seconds when it's like walkie-talkies that are supposed to last for days. And hello? Okay, so we're thinking forest nymph. Like wooden, like forest, like nymphy, like, oh my god, I'm scary but beautiful. So lots of black, lots of smokiness. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh my god. Guys?
Hey.
So I heard a weird noise behind me and then the light turned out. Ooh, I hate this. Hello? Oh. Stop.
Nikki?
I swear to God, if she's fucking around, I'm gonna beat her ass. I'm not kidding. I heard a loud noise in the back of the forest and then the light turned off. Okay, for the love of God, please, I don't know if you guys are planning on it, but don't prank me or scare me because I will literally get a heart attack. This is annoying. Why did I even come up with this? See, the problem here is that I'm the one who came up with this, not even Wes, not even Linda. I was like, hey guys, let's go to a haunted place and let's do our makeup there because apparently, well, Mykie did a great job at it, not me. Gewoon ook even in het Nederlands niet fucken, ik ga echt dood.
Serieus niet.
Lin, ik zweer dit op mijn hele fucking lijf. Er was rechtsachter in het bos een soort geluid en toen ging die lamp uit.
Prima, er is helemaal niks aan de hand, joh.
Dan kom jij eens hier in je eentje zitten met allemaal gekke geluiden om je heen. Oh, NikkieTutorials. If there ever was a time to blend like a queen and keep it moving, tonight is your night. Okay, guys. Okay. I just hear so much shit going on. Oh, I'm over this. I don't want to do this anymore. Well, I definitely hear stuff. I hear twigs. I hear people, like, stuff putting pressure on the twigs on the ground. I hear the weird sound from above. It's crazy. I'm not scared. I just feel very uncomfortable right now. Like, very uncomfortable. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Stop. Ooh. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Something is in that fucking forest. I'm not kidding. I hear something walking in the forest.
Is it close to you? It could be a deer.
A deer? I'm so uncomfortable right now. Ah.
Does it sound like actual footsteps?
It does.
I promise you it's not us.
Oh my fucking God. I don't want to be here anymore. I really don't want to be here anymore.
Maar even heel serieus, ben je oké?
Nou, ik ben oké, maar ik denk ook niet, god wat gezellig hier.
Dat snap ik. Zeg het als het echt niet gaat.
Oh my God, hell no. Okay, wait, I have a night vision camera. I'm just gonna, this is like the worst. I have a night vision camera. I'm like afraid to turn it on. I swear to God, you see this look right now? I'm about to like slap some black on, put my contacts in, and run. Okay, I'm gonna see if I see an animal because I don't trust this. Oh my God. I swear to God. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. I don't think so, ma'am. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I don't know what to do. I'm so out of my mind right now. Okay, I am messing myself up right now. Okay, NikkieTutorials, you better pull yourself together. You were not raised like a pussy, okay? Your mama tutorials raised you to be a very confident girl. You got this. All the sounds you're hearing are animals. Animals that are just like, who is this crazy lady up in here filming in our woods? Like, leave us alone. Stop.
So one of the stories online was that you get the feeling in this forest that people are watching you. Is that the same feeling?
100%.
Is there like pressure on your chest as well? Because somebody else described that.
I'm like pressure on my entire body right now. Oh my god. Ah. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Are you okay, Nikki?
I don't know. Okay, that is too much. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. God, I hate this. I'm never doing this again. Oh my god, I just feel like I'm like, oh my god, why is this hitting me so much? I feel like I'm like surrounded. I hear screaming constantly. Oh no. Huh. I'm so sorry for anyone who's ever looked up to me for my makeup skills, because this is not it, mama. All right, people, I am now doing my cheeks and lips contacts done. As I hear more fucking footsteps. Guys, by all means, if you ever think you should recreate this look, please don't. And if you do, make it a whole lot better. And please don't do it in a haunted forest. Like, I feel like if I did this in my studio back at home without any paranormal activity or animals surrounding me, or spirits surrounding me, this look would have been fire. Now, that nose looks like it's been through a lot in life, just like me in this forest right now. Okay, let's do lips, call it a day, contacts, call it a day. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. We'll never see you again. That was a gunshot. Okay, guys, I'm ready for pickup. I hear gunshots. I am not fucking kidding.
We heard them too.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Fuck the no, I'm done.
Okay, we're coming to you. I think we're almost there.
Thank God. Oh. It stopped recording? It stopped recording! It stopped recording! Hij doet het niet meer. Wat? Hij wil niet meer aan. Ik wil hier weg. Ja? Dat is wat ik wil.
Nou, wij zijn trots op jou.
Nou, ik niet. Jongens, ik heb dingen gehoord. So we're trying to film our outro. And the camera is dead. We've tried 2, 3 batteries, dead. Everything, dead.
Yeah.
My face, also, dead. It is Gothy Mattel. It is Wes the manager. It is Linda the bestie. I'm signing off for the day, okay? I will see you tomorrow for a brand new day of Halloween. Don't forget, if the camera caught it, Dutch word of the day is scared.
Bang.
Bang.
Very bang.
Very bang. If you want to be featured in my next video, all you have to do is leave a comment down below featuring the Dutch word of the day. Bang. We're gonna go. Goodbye.
Yeah.
Yep, I'm over it. Goodbye.
Okay.
Bye, people. I cannot see with these contacts. Ooh, this is scary. Look at that. Look at that.